In the U.S., a court in New Mexico has found that Meta Platforms violated state law in a lawsuit that was brought by the state's attorney general, who accuses it of misleading users about the safety of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The lawsuit accusing the company of enabling child sexual exploitation on the platforms, Meta violating then New Mexico's consumer protection law and ordered to pay $375 million in civil penalties. It's the first case of its kind that could have major ramifications elsewhere. France 24's regional correspondent Wasim Cornet told us more.
Jurors in New Mexico concluded that Meta knowingly misled the public about the risks its platforms pose to children and called the behavior unconscionable. During the trial, state prosecutors argued that the social media giant failed to do enough to prevent bad actors on its platforms from contacting children, that it essentially created a breeding ground for predators on websites like Facebook and Instagram, and that the company ultimately chose growth and profits over safety. The jurors also found thousands of violations of the state's consumer protection laws and fined the company about $375 million. That is, of course, a drop in the bucket for a company the size of Meta and less than a fifth of what prosecutors were seeking. Meta still issued a statement saying that it disagreed with the ruling and that it would appeal the verdict. Now, this ruling comes as there is mounting legal pressure against social media companies across the United States. More than 40 state attorneys have filed lawsuits accusing platforms of designing features that keep young users hooked while exposing them to harmful content. Here in LA, there is another major trial underway. Jurors are deliberating whether Meta and YouTube can be held liable for the mental health struggles of a young woman who says she was addicted to those platforms as a child. Jurors have been deliberating for 8 days now, but still no verdict.